Here's a look at the old boxy box. Looks like he's coming right out of the the drawbridge of Grayskull. That's cool, man. You see the fangs right there. I don't have the awesome pointer that my buddy El Tenda has. He's got the cool little pointer finger. They use my fingers, but yeah, I love that pointer. Anyways, there's Screech. So we're probably gonna get a Screech soon. I don't know if it's gonna be as big as the vintage one. I don't mind if it is. I think that'd be pretty cool. And we've got Skeletor on the Roton. I think this is a Dragon Blaster Skeletor. As you can see his armor. If you look closely, let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, you can look. And yeah, he's got Dragon Blaster armor. So that's pretty neat, man. And it's kind of obvious if you look at where, as we dive into the box and look up closer over here. And it's Sunman. Right there. Good old Sunman, dude. That's going to be cool, man. I'm waiting for my exclusive. I ordered it. I guess they'd be shipping soon, hopefully. I would think so. Got regular old He-Man in here. So that's cool. Got Fisto right there. That's cool. And look at the side of the box. Let's see. There's another little monster paying homage, or gargoyle paying homage to the... what was that one artist? I forgot his name, but you have to go to Battleground blog to figure it out. Because there's one artist who used to throw a bunch of little dragon monsters and stuff in the art and all that. The bottom of the box. One-time assembly for his little stall thing. There, let's see. Stridor. Heroic Armored Warhorse. So there's the Dragon Blaster Dragon. So that was cool. That kind of blew my mind. I was like, that's neat, man. So we're going to be getting him soon, probably. But before we get him soon, looks like we're going to get the good old Terraclaw Skeletor wearing his man bikini top. That's such a... and Flying Fist He-Man. I had these two back in the day. Very cool figures. And there's, is it Wave 7? I forget, man. With good old Sorceress, Buzz-Off, Stratos, and Jitsu. Here's a look at more of how you can assemble this in the Grayskull, which is cool. His little stable stall thing or whatever. You pop that right in there. So that's awesome. Comes with another helmet. Replaced it with a second helmet. More like a battle helmet. Here's a look at the rest of the art. On the back. Very cool piece, man. And there's Zoar. There's He-Man. It's cool. You know, Stridor comes with reins. That's pretty awesome. 1/2 Warhorse. 1/2 War Machine. Stridor carries the heroes of Eternia to victory. That's cool, man. That is cool. I can't see any more Easter eggs. I think we're covered here. I don't see anybody messing about. Grayskull. Nobody in these woods, right? Or there's a thicket of crap right there. And I think that's about it, man. I don't think there's any more stuff we can see. We'll have to... So I want to keep this going as far as... Cause I don't like when people complain they don't do enough stuff. But yeah, there's no more to see in that box. So let's go ahead and get him open. Well, here he is, folks. Big old boy right here, man. It's cool, man. It comes with the second helmet, so that thing's cool. Like the detail on this thing. I've never seen the classics Stridor, so I don't know how comparable those are or whatever. He's got some cool reins. So you could do some pony play or something with Tila later, maybe, if you felt like it. Just kidding. Anyways, it's funny, man. So wrong. Anyways, this thing is cool, dude. He's up, raring to go, man. It's rad, so rad, dude. But yeah, let's take him off this thing. It's cool. There you go. As you can see, he's been fixed, so you don't have to worry about him impregnating your other Stridors or your other Motu mounts. So we're good right there. His guns, his regular helmet. He looks so tame. He looks so adorable. Chill. I like the way they did the paint, though. Real sparkly. Yeah, he's got a hinged mouth. Oh, there's like a spring action on his jaw. That's cool. It's like Mr. Ed Wilbur. That's cool, man. So you can put his reins in here or whatever. Open your mouth. There you go. So He-Man can hold on to his reins. That's awesome, dude. That is cool. It's got the generic stickers like the old school one. We'll have to compare them with the vintage. It's like the controls, some weird backseat control things, more gadgets and doodads. Another little sticker with the crest or whatever and stuff. Legs are fully articulated and they're ratcheted, so that's cool. Feet too are ratcheted. Front aren't. But yeah. But you can be like, that's cool, man. That's neat, man. Gives it a mechanical sound. That is rad. That's cool, dude. Love this figure, man. I don't know if I want to put his second helmet on, or if I can get it on. The second helmet's pretty cool. It's not bad. Not bad at all, but I don't know. I think just for old school sakes, we're just gonna keep the old helmet, just because that's how we roll around here. So yeah, old timey sake. It's not going into crazy battle. It comes with these little sploogey battle effects. Looks like water, but it's just like lasers. You can put on his little cannons that are articulate. Oop. Yeah, these are kind of iffy because you just small peg. Just pop it in, and it's like kind of a pain. But there you go. Oh yeah, you got to really get them in there, but they pop out kind of easily too. There you go. Got his blast effects. Yeah. One on his butt gun, so that you can move that too. That's rad. That's cool. His tail moves and wags, so that's cool. That's rad, dude. This thing is so awesome. Yeah, we got to compare them to the old one. And here they are for comparison's sake. We got, yeah, here's the vintage one. Yeah, obviously the new one's a little bigger, it seems to me. The browns are a little different. And the sticker, I think the sticker on the old one's maybe a bit cooler if you look closely. Like I think it's a bit cooler, to be honest with you. I think it's a bit cooler compared to this sticker. You let me know in the comments. Let me know. There's the gun. This one's on there pretty good. I think these just kind of like had one of those weird little like they just kind of clipped in or whatever, but they were just like kind of cut in between, and then they could just, you know, pop them in and snap and stay in, because this one's broken off. Stickers are very different, like the controls, way different. Yeah, a little brighter, I would think. These stickers are a little darker on here and a little brighter on the old one. So yeah. Yep. The same and different, I would say. Yeah, there's good old size comparisons. Obviously, yep. No paint detail on the eyes, but that's all. You know, get onto that. I could spend all day on that crap. But yeah, but these weren't articulated. These legs are, so that's cool, man. Couldn't mount them on nothing. Now you can. That's like, you can see inside his guts. So that's pretty cool. Another neat thing about this guy too, he's the head's articulated, so there's like, that's cool, man. Can move it about, so that's cool. Side to side a little bit, up, all the way up, and then like down. So that's cool, man. That is really rad, dude. I like this thing. This thing's awesome. I wasn't gonna pass it up, but I wasn't gonna be in a hurry to get it. But once I found out that it was right down the street, it's kind of hard to pass up, really, to be honest, you know, with you guys and gals, that if you knew it was down the street, would you go and get it? It's like, yeah. It's crazy because it says here that you can attach it to Castle Grayskull, which you can, but it's still, then that doesn't give you a lot of room, really, to be honest with you. It seems like a good idea, but I mean, it's kind of big, man. I mean, he's kind of taking up a lot of space, a lot of real estate, to be honest with you. I mean, and it fits in. It doesn't snap in or anything. And even if you raise the this lip up or whatever on the bottom and put it like, I guess, give me a sec. Like if you put it above these rocks right here and kind of slide it in there, it still doesn't sit very well. And it actually raises this bottom part up and makes it unstable. But yeah, you just kind of just slide it in like that. It doesn't really, which is weird because I wonder if there's going to be another piece they're going to make for something else that would snap into that. Or actually, my bad. If you look closely, like yeah, right here. Sorry about that, folks. But yeah, this right, yeah, that doesn't go anywhere. It just kind of, you just kind of do this, you know. Yeah, you just kind of do that, and there, there's your Stridor and it's stable. It kind of makes things cramped a little bit, to be honest with you. It's kind of weird. I don't get it. I don't think that works that well. I don't know if you're supposed to be able to attach it to the Wind Raider thing. It doesn't look like it at all. No, not at all. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that, if that's supposed to fit on another piece. But all in all, man, it's still pretty cool. I think like as a standalone like diorama piece, it looks cool too, because you can, when you put the little little stand, I mean the little, yeah, this thing on it, looks really rad. And here's good old Stridor with Battle Armor He-Man, the cool 2-pack Battlefield one. So I think that's a fitting one for Stridor, especially for this one. And yeah, he could put his little rain handle thing in there. That's pretty cool. Tried to plug him in here, but that doesn't work at all. And still pretty cool, man. I love this piece. Glad I got it. Glad I got it, man. That's cool. This one can you just kind of tuck in here or whatever. Off to the side. He-Man can grab it when he can put up his axe. But yeah, this thing's awesome, dude. Can barely fit in the camera. It's so big. That is sweet, man. Really, really cool piece. Kind of wish it attached to the castle a little bit better, but it just doesn't seem like it's supposed to. I guess it kind of does, but at the same time, it takes up a lot of real estate, it seems like, inside the castle. We could try it again, but yeah, it's kind of iffy and kind of weird, but still really cool. And I love the fact he's posable, and yeah, he's just like ready to jump out of his little stable. That's really cool, man. Really cool piece. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. As you can see, it's just, yeah, that's it, man. You just have to leave it like that. You know, some people might boo-hoo over it, but it is what it is, man. It's the way things are gonna be. So yeah, there you go. There you go, man. Well, folks, that's our look at Stridor. This thing is awesome. I like it a lot. I like the little sploogey blasty effects. We got to see if they fit on any other guns, which they don't on Zodak. I don't know if you want to try on any other figures, but yeah, you might have to see at some point. But anyways, that's up for you to find out. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, y'all, and yeah, have a good one. All right, laters.